Friends, welcome to a new episode of Crypto News. Today, as always, I will be your guide to the crypto market, bringing you the most important events of the past week. Let's dive in. This week marked a triumphant milestone for Bitcoin as it reached a historic all-time high. The price of the first cryptocurrency soared past $100,000, hitting $103,600. On some exchanges, the price even touched $104,000. At the same time, Bitcoin's market capitalization exceeded $2 trillion. Among the world's financial assets ranked by market cap, Bitcoin surpassed silver and is now steadily catching up to Google. There's only a 5% gap left. This week we are seeing a correction, and according to CryptoQuant, there is still very strong pressure from sellers. Amid this, all altcoins have lost 20 to 30%. However, all analysts agree that this is a necessary pause before the next phase of growth. For example, Michael Saylor is confident that by the year 2045, BTC's market cap will grow to $280 trillion, and the price of one Bitcoin will reach $14 million. According to the Pi Cycle Top Indicator, Bitcoin, BTC, has not yet entered the final stage of growth, with the next significant correction expected after the price hits $126,000. Meanwhile, other key metrics for Bitcoin are also growing. The mining difficulty and the network hash rate of the leading cryptocurrency have reached all-time highs. Amid Bitcoin's successes, major altcoins, Ripple, BNB, and TRON, have also hit new all-time highs, while Ethereum has broken past the $4,000 level. The total market capitalization of the crypto market is now nearing $4 trillion. The alt-season index has reached 90 points, the highest level since August 2022. It seems that alt-season is truly on its way. TRX has surpassed its 2018 all-time high, and on Wednesday, December 4th, was trading at $0.38. Over the last 24 hours, trading volumes increased by 515%, while market capitalization grew by 70%. The alt-season index has reached its highest level, 90, since August 2022. Following Bitcoin, Ethereum also saw a revival, surpassing $4,000. However, with Bitcoin's correction, Ethereum's price fell back below the $4,000 mark. More than $4 billion have been raised by spot Bitcoin ETFs in 9 days. On December 10, 2024, the daily capital inflow into the spot Bitcoin ETF sector reached $439,560,000. Positive dynamics have continued since November 27, 2024. The total inflows into Bitcoin-based spot funds exceeded $4 billion in 9 days. Meanwhile, in the spot Ethereum ETF sector, the daily capital inflow amounted to $305,740,000. Over the past 12 days, Ethereum-based funds have attracted $1,850,000,000, compared to the previous month, when inflows were just 8,121 ETH, $31,800,000. November saw a 4,363% increase in inflows. Since last month, Ethereum's price has risen by 64%. The DeFi sector is also on the rise. 3 years after its peak in November 2021, the total value locked, TVL, in the DeFi sector has hit a new all-time high. So we've covered the numbers. Now let's dive into the news. But first, let's talk about Battle Bulls. Our game's airdrop is in full swing, which means it's the perfect time to boost your earn per hour balance using cards in the mine section. To collect as many game euros as possible for purchasing cards, complete tasks in the earn section and tap the bull. Keep in mind, the minimum amount of bull split required for withdrawal is 100,000. I'm also excited to announce that we're extending our contest with the BingX exchange until December 29th, with a prize pool of 10,000 USDT. 10 winners will share this prize among themselves. Here's what you need to do. Register, complete a transaction worth at least 50 USDT, and send a screenshot via the Telegram bot. You can find all the details in our official Telegram channel. Make the most of the profit opportunities our team creates for you every day. Now, back to the crypto market. Donald Trump has officially appointed Paul Atkins, a cryptocurrency supporter, as the new head of the SEC. Initially, rumors suggested that Atkins declined the role, fearing excessive restructuring within the agency following Gary Gensler's tenure. However, he later accepted Trump's offer. This is a step many have been eagerly anticipating. Could this mean more friendly crypto regulations? In any case, corporations continue to stock up on cryptocurrencies to build strategic reserves. Michael Saylor proposed selling selling a portion of the U.S. gold reserves to buy Bitcoin. The potential goal is to acquire between 20 and 25% of Bitcoin's total supply, creating difficulties for competitors and strengthening its status as a reserve currency. Amazon shareholders requested the board of directors to consider investing in Bitcoin. CZ, the former head of Binance, commented that it's simple, just add Bitcoin transactions. However, shareholders ultimately voted against adding Bitcoin to the company's balance sheet, leading to Bitcoin sell-offs among short-term holders. Sentiment highlighted growing panic sentiments in the market. Meanwhile, MicroStrategy purchased another 15,400 BTC for $1.5 billion, increasing its reserves to 402,100 Bitcoins. The Japanese company Metaplanet decided to reward its shareholders by distributing Bitcoin worth 30 million yen among them. Meanwhile, the mining company Marathon purchased 11,774 Bitcoins for $1.1 billion at a price of $96,000 per Bitcoin. The state of Florida is allocating 1% of its pension fund to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve, nearly $2 billion. Additionally, there's talk of using a budget surplus of $116.5 billion for investments. It seems Florida is aiming to lead the crypto revolution among the states. Eric Adams, the mayor of New York City, who decided to receive his salary in Bitcoin, commented on the current growth of BTC surpassing $100,000. Remember when you laughed when I announced this? Who's laughing now? The UAE Central Bank is keeping up with the cryptocurrency trend. It has approved the launch of AED Coin, the first stablecoin pegged to the dirham. This new tool promises to be a reliable solution for businesses and individuals wishing to securely use digital assets. The global shift toward cryptocurrency is forcing some to reconsider their stance. For instance, the Financial Times editorial board publicly apologized for negative articles about Bitcoin. Meanwhile, Forbes remains silent, even though their so-called zombie tokens, including XRP, have repeatedly hit new all-time highs. To wrap up this episode, let's talk about market trends. The investment giant Andreessen Horowitz has identified the key directions for the crypto market's development in 2025, including artificial intelligence and blockchain. AI applications on the blockchain are expected to become growth drivers. Trends include wallets with AI agents, decentralized autonomous chatbots, and identity verification solutions. Stablecoins. They will begin to replace daily transactions with credit cards, particularly in small and medium-sized businesses. Asset tokenization. Next year, new types of assets will appear on the blockchain, including biometric data and government bonds. This will allow users to monetize previously inaccessible resources, such as medical data. A 16Z highlights that tokenization technologies and AI integration create new economic opportunities and make blockchain more attractive to businesses and governments. That's all for now. It's time to say goodbye. I'll keep an eye on events and share only the most interesting updates with you. See you in the next episode.